All right, let's talk about Lechon ulang baboy, or roasted pig head. This Filipino delicacy is something a lot of people think is impossible to pull off at home. Nope, not true. You just need patience and confidence. Trust me, worth it. So, first things first, sourcing the pig's head. This stops a lot of people in their tracks. Check with your local butcher or specialty Asian markets. They can get you a clean pig's head ready for cooking. Also, don't skip cleaning it yourself again at home. Super important. Next comes the marinade. You'll need garlic, lemongrass, calamansi or lime, soy sauce, and some salt and pepper. Rub this mixture generously inside and out. This is where all the flavor begins, so don't hold back. Homemade marinades just hit different. Pro tip, let the pig's head marinate overnight. 5 hours is the bare minimum, but 12 to 24 hours? That's where the magic happens. Refrigerate it in an airtight container or bag to keep everything flavorful and safe. Now, prepping the oven or outdoor roasting setup. If using an oven, preheat to 350 degrees Celsius. If going traditional, a bamboo spit with charcoal gives you unmatched authenticity. Pain point here. Charcoal takes a while, but the results are phenomenal. Wrap the ears and snout in foil first. Ears burn faster and no one wants a charred snout. Then brush the whole head with oil to enhance crisping later. This is like setting up your masterpiece. It's about precision, not rushing. Time for cooking. For an oven roast, 3 to 4 hours works. Brush it with basting sauce every 30 minutes. Outdoors, rotate it slowly for evenness. You're aiming for golden perfection. Nobody raves about pale lechon, trust me. Here's a pain point, getting that crispy skin. This is the part where patience really pays off. Crank up the temperature or intensify the flame at the end. That moment the skin blisters, chefs nod in approval. That's the sound of success. Once it's done, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Cutting into it immediately will let the juices escape. Lechon ulang baboy isn't just about crispy skin. It's about that moist, tender meat underneath. Don't ruin it by slicing too soon. Serve it with lechon sauce, spiced vinegar, or even soy sauce with diced onions and chilies. This is what makes Filipino cuisine so bold. Dip pairings make or break the dish. Lechon sauce is life, but vinegar cuts the richness beautifully. Don't forget the presentation. Whole roasted pig head on a platter, crowd pleaser every single time. Fun fact, in Filipino culture, this dish symbolizes abundance, so brace yourself for compliments and hungry stares when you serve it. Pro tip, leftovers, if any, aren't a problem. Toss the crispy skin into soup or make sisig from the meat. You're basically doubling your efforts without much extra work. It's an underrated hack and turns into another killer meal. Lechon ulang baboy isn't for the faint of heart, but once you nail it, the payoff is unreal. It's communal food at its finest. And let's be real, sometimes you just have to roast a pig's head to feel like a culinary king or queen.